Welcome back. What an excellent inauguration of the new contract, the July contract. So how are the rollover positions and the fresh positions of the new day panning out? Rikesh Parikh of Motilal Oswal is with us. Rikesh, you must be seeing a lot of increase in positions in the 5,200 and 5,300 strikes. Tell us how the market is shaping up and what is your own recommended strategy on the Nifty?
Yeah, what a day to start with the new expiry. We were in narrow band for a last 15 days odd, and we were trading in that zone. And today we have opened with a gap up, and we are holding on to our gains. So what we suggest is that since the Nifty was in a very narrow band here and it has come out of the wedge, it is clearly indicating some amount of bullishness in the market. In terms of open interest, very surprising, on the first day of the July contract we are seeing some unwinding of positions happening in 5100 call options and 5000, 1500, which are deep into the money options, and also at 53 at the money option, and so which is indicating some amount of upward bias, and the 5300, which was the highest open interest, has shifted to 5400 as of now. So what we are suggesting is that buying a plain vanilla Nifty call option which is trading around 88 rupees, and look for the Nifty can go upward up to 5400 if the gains are maintained.
There's almost $500 million at 5300, Rikesh. Do you think it'll prove as a sort of a resistance in the near term for the Nifty, or have positions already started to shift enough to 5400 significantly that should not be resistance?
Definitely there will be a minor resistance at 5300 we can see over there, but as I told you, 5100 call option we had seen some amount of unwinding happening today, and the build up shifting to 50 to 400, so there is a probability that we can move past that thing, and even right now around 60,000 shares open, there is a shedding in 5300 call option right now.
Okay, what about individual stocks in the mid-cap space? Are you recommending any strategies on any specific stocks?
Yeah, sure. We have seen State Bank of India, Bank Nifty has been a lead indicator throughout this rally. State Bank of India is showing quite a positive move. It has taken support around 2080 level and has moved up. So what I'm suggesting is buying a ratio spread in the State Bank of India, where one can buy 2150 call option of State Bank, which is trading around 75 rupees, and on the upside around 2300 levels one can double short the call, which is trading around 26. Here the logic being the previous high of State Bank of India was around 2300, and it can prove as a resistance area for the stock. And in this since we are selling double quantity of 2300, probably if the State Bank closes about 2300 from here in the next few days, then that should be act as a stop loss. One should carry as a stop loss in the trade.
And you have a strategy in BHEL also.
Sure. And another stock we are looking at is BHEL. Similar to index, we have the BHEL after making a bottom around 210 level, it was in a sideways zone from 210 to 225 for almost last full expiry. Today it has given a good breakout and it has moved up. So one can go ahead and buy 230 call option of BHEL which is trading at around 8 rupees, and one can look at even some amount of open interest built up has happened at 230 call option in BHEL, indicating a bullishness.
Rikesh, from the final rollovers yesterday, which were the sectors where you saw the highest conviction? Any conviction trades in any particular sector?
In terms of highest rollover, textile and sugar, we saw a highest rollover happening in around 92% in textile, 90% in sugar. So those were the highest rollover, and the striking difference about this rollover was that we had a shrinking rollover happening for the last three expiry. This time the rollover were slightly higher than the averages, which was around 84-85%, and overall OI was on the higher side. So some long or short would have been removed from the system and long been built up. So over there it is giving slightly a positive stance.
All right. Thanks a lot, Rikesh, for joining us with your strategies. Any disclosures?
We would have suggested some of the strategies to client also.
Thanks for joining us. Let's take a break on that note. We are back in a minute. Plenty of issues to discuss. Markets running away 2% higher on the heavyweights.